guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. I would like to thank today's video sponsor, and that is proudly again Vivaia. Vivaia is a brand of footwear focusing on creating stylish and sustainable, eco-friendly footwear. All of the products are made by using recycled materials. The company has actually redesigned and upgraded its insole and arch support. It has actually taken the base and created a double arch support. It has cushioning and microfiber feel. Also has this pressure relief diamond pattern quilting with the cushioned in midsole as well. One of the main points that I mentioned in my other video about Vivaia is not only that these shoes look so chic, they are ridiculously comfortable. This full 3D knit flex design is so easy to slip on. So if you are on your feet all day in either a corporate job or running around a warehouse or an office space, whether you work in retail or you are just a busy mum, thank you once again to Vivaia Shoes for sponsoring another video of mine. Please check out all the links below. They have given me a personal coupon code for you guys to shop their website. I feel like this is a little bit old school because obviously this is where our roots started, Mr. Vuitton. If you follow me on Instagram, I have already done a reel, a TikTok, a short, what are they even called? I don't know anymore. I have already done a reveal of this on my Instagram. Please follow me if you don't already. So this essentially is a reveal, but we've called it an unboxing because I cannot believe they came back with this. I really can't. Here we go. If you watched it, you know what it is. However, we are going to unbox it again on this video, proof of purchase. I'll share the price with you. It's not great. And our Louis Vuitton dust bag to reveal to you guys the Louis Vuitton LV Remix LV denim in the Speedy Nano. So this is it. Everybody asked me if I was going to get my hands on a piece of this denim LV Remix. So the actual collection consisted of bringing back these early 2000 collections. So this obviously is the denim, and this is the classic washed denim from that collection. They tried a denim a couple of years ago, I want to say 4 years ago, that was very kind of clean and crisp and clean. This is that distressed, washed out, beautiful denim. If you have followed me forever and a day, I had the mini pleaty bag. I loved it. It was so cute, very difficult to use because it was a flap with this closure at the front of it. Used it quite a bit, but obviously parted with it. Not necessarily a regret, but parted with it. When they said they were coming back with this, there was like whispers about it a year or something ago, and we were just kind of like, oh yeah, it'd probably just be the denim that it was. This is true to color. It is the bright blue. Honestly, in that reel that I put on Instagram, it was hard to show the true color because of my lights and everything, but it really came across blue. But that's what it is. It really is bright blue. It's not a deep blue or anything like that. It's just such a beautiful denim blue, exactly like it was back then. So the story for this goes, it launched like 3 days ago. Okay, not the time this video is coming out, but like 3 days ago from now. So it's like the 7th of January. Oh, it's the 7th of January. I was like estimating. And so it launched like 3 days ago. Crazy. Wanted to get my hands on something. Put everything in my cart that I wanted, including the key clay, of course. So many girls in the luxury community have grabbed it. Yay, good on you. Because when I went back to buy my shopping cart, it was like 4 to 11 weeks wait. And I was like, sorry, what? Anyway, I called my SA Stella at Bondi Junction. I still shop with her. She was like, yes, we only have a few pieces in. What were you looking at? So I sent her through a text saying that I was looking at purchasing the clay, and I wanted to look at what the Hills pochette was like because I wanted to do a zipper. this time around, being able to grab this collection again, I wanted to do a zipper where the mini pleaty folded over, and they've got that as well. It's not called the mini pleaty, and it's a bigger kind of version, but it's the same clasp as this. Anyway, when I added that to cart, or when I contacted Stella, she was like, yeah, again, it's going to be like a couple of weeks wait. Needless to say, the next morning I went back on the site. I hadn't even clicked on the Nano Speedy, mainly because this year I've decided I want it back in the original Nano Speedy that I gave away in the single strap, no buckle, no clips on the side. I just want it back in the original version that I gave away in a giveaway. I knew that I wanted to do that this year, so I hadn't even looked at this in the denim. However, it came up available for purchase instantly, and here in Australia we have like the DHL couriers within like an hour or so. You can get instant courier type thing, or the next day delivery, and that's exactly what I got. So I got my hands on it straight away. The vachette, you can see it's the raw white leather trim vachette, not the kind of pre-patinaed. You have like this cargo pocket on the front here, and it's got all the gussets and everything like that. It's usable. It is usable. So the clasp on the front, this all has the stickers still all over it because it was only yesterday, and it's really quite a substantial little pocket there. I'm trying to see what I could fit. I don't have AirPods. The size of the new AirPods, it's really quite a large little cargo style pocket with the classic like denim line clasp, and that's what I just found so cute. You have a D-ring on either side on the vachette like so, and you have your rolled top handles and your top zipper closure. This is so gorgeous. The actual zipper pull is the LVs on either side, shiny gold hardware. It is a smooth zipper. Inside has your strap, which yes, has the two clasps on either end, and it is adjustable. Again, like the Monogram Speedy, the longest length on me is still short. That's why the original Nano Speedy that came out in Monogram that I gave away is non-adjustable, but the actual drop length on it is better for me, and I just prefer it. I just think it's so cute. This is far more east-west in the Monogram with the detachable strap. The other one's a little bit more of like a little cupcake shape. Either way, there are some tickets down inside. We will share the price. It has the Nano Monogram fleur-de-lis and LV print as the lining. So it's a second layer of denim. You can move it back and forward as the lining. But can you see there? It's like it's the nano side. On the back of the vachette here, you got Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And then you've got like the fleur-de-lis, LV fleur-de-lis stamped on it, which is almost like, kind of like it's a seasonal piece almost. I don't think that's on every stamp, especially in Speedies and things like that. But I am going to tell you now, this collection definitely will be seasonal collection, meaning it will come and it will go. This is not going to be classic at all. I would just attach the strap onto the D-rings here. There it is, so gorgeous. I am not going to stand up and do mod shots on its longest length. It still hits me really short. I do not care because I had to have denim back. What was me if I didn't have this denim back from when I had my mini pleaty? It was everything and I needed to have it back. Did I think I was going to get it in the Nano Speedy? No, no way. It was just one of those things that happened where I clicked on it, it was available, I just add to cart and I just did it. For the price? That's where the problem is. So again, it's really nice with the actual buckle and the holes to adjust. It's not necessarily one of those slide straps, which is really nice. It's a proper strap. You can remove it, put on something else if you want to do it that way. Let's give you the price on this bad boy, shall we? In Australia. How fun. This is ridiculous. Again, this is why I say it's seasonal. It's a, you know, as in a collection that's just come in and it's going to leave again, which 100% it will. This came in at the M8 2950 Nano Speedy LV Remix came in at 4,000 Australian dollars. 4,000 Australian dollars, that includes tax. What is that in US? So in US 1.7, it's almost, so it's just over 3.2 with tax, because you guys have tax on top. So in US, yeah, over 3 something for a fabric bag. Again, it is Louis Vuitton. Now in these times, I feel like these luxury houses can do whatever they want. If you are an advocate and you love it and you're going to buy it and you're going to collect it, you're going to pay. It doesn't matter. It does not matter. Just because us on YouTube talk about it and go at the price doesn't matter. Because there are a million other people out there just buying and buying and buying. They don't care. They're not looking at the price tag. But for a fabric, denim fabric bag with leather trim, 4,000 Australian dollars. It's steep. It's steep. Should I have done it? No. How are we feeling this year where we're putting money? What are we doing? I was thinking of doing that. I just watched Maddie. Hi Maddie. Maddie Shops. I just watched her resolutions. I think luxury resolutions for this year. Really great video to do. And I like it because it just, you know, pulls you back, see where you are, what you're doing, what you're putting money towards, what you're feeling, what you're liking, especially with the houses. Obviously the top 3 of Chanel, Louis Vuitton and Hermes. And what are we playing in? You know, these are big dollars. These are big price tags. So one in, one out. What are we doing? How are we feeling? Obviously, this is not how I thought I would start the year. But this is our first bag of the year. What? I am just like, okay, that's what we're doing. It just happened and I'm okay. I'm okay with it. I'm not mad at it. Very iconic me, beginning of YouTube me type feeling with my mini pleaty bag, and to have something back and with that clasp, I'm not mad at it at all. Let me know what you guys think of the LV Remix collection, because obviously they brought back the vernis in those kind of like candy apple colors. The blue is absolutely gorgeous and it has the vachette trim like it used to. This whole like nostalgic bringing back, like in Chanel's Cruise collection, the Barbie collection, they brought back the Kelly, the little Kelly with the pocket Kelly at the front. Like just that nostalgic kind of bringing back styles again, like vintage styles, but in a same feeling but a cool new way, if that makes sense. Let me know if you vibe with it in the comments below. So that is it, guys. I do hope you like my new little Nano Speedy in the LV Remix Denim collection. If you enjoyed that video, guys, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, there is a button below, guys. I would super appreciate that. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.